You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Italy, and it's the name of a brand of pasta from Italy, super famous. If you want to learn all the names of the different shapes that they make and more from Italian cuisine, all the delicious dishes, stay tuned, I've got them all here on the channel at the end of the video. So the Italian pronunciation is as Garofalo, 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 with a stress on the ro syllable. So if you cannot pronounce Italian or speak Italian perfectly, you can simply say it English pronunciation, Garofalo, Garofalo pasta, Garofalo brand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.